Hello everyone, welcome to the discussion of weekly test 3. Our syllabus was quadrilaterals and basically we deal with the questions from grade 8 and grade 9. Okay, so let's start with the first question that were asked in the weekly test. The base of the parallelogram is thrice its height. If the area is 192 centimeter square, find the base and height. Okay, so we know the formula for finding area of parallelogram. What is that? That is base into height. Okay, so the base of the parallelogram is given thrice its height. So let the height of the parallelogram be x. Let the height of the parallelogram be x unit. Okay, then the base will be equal to 3 times the height of 3 times the height. So it is 3x unit. Okay. So the formula for finding the area of parallelogram is area of parallelogram equal to base into height. So what is our base? Base is 3x. And what is our height? It is x. And the area of parallelogram is given. It is 192 centimeter square. Okay. So this is 192 equal to 3x square. You can cancel out here, you will get 64. So x square equal to 64. So we can find x equal to under root 64. You will get 8. Okay. So now x is equal to 8. So we can find the base. So base is our 3x. That is base is 3 into x. So it is 3 into 8, that is 24 centimeter. Okay, this is base. And how we can find the height? So height is same. So height equal to x unit, that is x. So we can say it is equal to 8 centimeter. So we have found both the value of height and base. Okay, next question. The area of a parallelogram is 5000 square centimeter. Its height is twice its base. Okay, so we are going to apply the similar concept that we applied in question number 1. So let the base be x centimeter. Okay, then you can say height will be, then the height equal to, this time height is twice. So it is 2x centimeter. Okay, now apply the formula area of parallelogram equal to, that is base into height. So what is base? Base is our x, and what is height? It is 2x. And the area of parallelogram is given as 5000 centimeter square. Okay. Now, so 5000 equal to 2x square. So if you cancel out, you will get 2500. So x square equal to 2500. So from here we can find x equal to under root 2500 and it will give us 50. So what is our base? So base is x. So it is 50 centimeter. And what is our height? Height is our 2x. So it is 2 into 50, that is 100 centimeter. So we have calculated both base and height. Next question. The area of given trapezium find the area of given trapezium if A equal to 5 centimeter. See, A is given as 5 centimeter, B1 is given as 13 centimeter, C is given as 2 centimeter, okay, and H is given as 20 centimeter, okay. So we know the formula of finding the area of trapezium, that is area of trapezium equal to half into sum of parallel sides, sum of parallel sides into height. Okay, so if I write this height h of into h. So what is half into what is sum of parallel sides? See, this side and this side, they are parallel to each other. Okay, so what is the total length of this side? It is 5 plus 13 plus 2. Okay, this by centimeter. And what is the length of this side? It is B1. So we can say B1 is equal to 13 centimeter. So from here to here it is 13 centimeter. So if you add this, you will get at 20. Okay, 18 plus 2, 20. So 20 centimeter is this. So what is parallel? Sum of the parallel sides? It is 20 plus this 13. So 13 and height is given as 20. Okay. So it is half into 33 into 20. So we will cancel out this 10 times. So it is 330 centimeter square. Okay. Next question. Find the area in square meters of the trapezium whose base are given as 28 centimeter and 3 dm, that is decimeter, and altitude is 25 centimeter. Okay, so you have got a trapezium whose base some of the you can say parallel sides, they are given as you 28 centimeter and 3 decimeter, and its altitude is given as 25 centimeters. So they are asked you to find the area of trapezium. So in area of trapezium, we need the sum of the parallel sides. So these are your parallel sides, parallel sides. Okay, and altitude is given as this is your h, that is 25 centimeter. Now, if you look at the unit, so one unit is given as 28 centimeter, other is given as decimeter, 3 decimeter, and the other height is given as 25 centimeter. And they have asked me to find the area in square meters. Okay, So let me change the unit first. So we know 1 dm equal to 0.1 meter. So 3 dm, that is decimeter, equal to 0.3 meter. So we have got the conversion of this. Now we know 1 centimeter equal to 0.01 meter. So 28 centimeter will be equal to 0.28 meter. Okay, so you have got the other unit. This is 25 units, so we can keep it as 0.25 meter. Okay, now let us use this. So area of trapezium equal to half into sum of parallel sides. So what is our parallel sides? Sum of the parallel sides is, these are your parallel sides. So let me add. So this is 0.3 plus 0.28 and multiply it by height, that is 0.25. Okay. Now this is half into 0.58 into 0.25. So you can cut this 0.29 times, and the final answer will be 0.0725 and meter square. Okay, so this is your final answer. Calculate the area of the trapezium given in the figure. So what is the area of the trapezium? Area of trapezium equal to half into sum of parallel sides. So what is parallel sides here? 7 and 9. So we can add them, sum of the parallel sides, and multiply it with the height. So it is half into 16 into 4. So you can cancel out. You can say it is 32 centimeter square. Okay, I'm not writing the units each and every step. That you can do yourself. Okay. Next question. Find the area of the given figure as the sum of the areas of two trapezia and a rectangle. Okay. So we have got here two trapezia, that means two trapezium and one rectangle. So we have to find the area of both the trapezium and rectangle individually, and then at the end we will add them. Okay. So first let us find the what is the area of trapezium. See, you can see this is a trapezium. Okay. Now, what is this? How much is this? So this is given as 10. Okay. And see, from here to here it is 50 units. And the total is 70 units. That means 70 minus 50, it is 20 units left. Now 20 units will be left and it will be distributed from here. So 20 divided by 2, that is, this will be 10, and from here also it will be 10 units. Okay. Now, so how we can find the area of this trapezium? This is half into sum of parallel sides, area of this. So what is sum of parallel sides? See, one parallel side is 30 and other is 10. So 30 plus 10. And what is the height? Height it is 10. So into 10. So this is half into 40 into 10. So you will get a 200 centimeter square. Now let us find the area of triangle. So what is the area of triangle? We know this is length into breadth. So how much is the length? See, from here to here it is 50 units. Okay, take this triangle. This is your rectangle, sorry, not triangle. This is your rectangle. So it is length is 50 units and breadth is given you as 10 units. So it is 10. So you will get it as 500 centimeter square. In the similar way, we can find the area of this trapezium also. So this is also half into same. See, this is 30, this is 10, and height is also 10. So 30 plus 10, sum of the parallel sides into height. It will also give you half into 40 into 10. So it is 200 centimeter square. So total area will be equal to total area that you can calculate is equal to 200 centimeter square plus 500 centimeter square plus 200 centimeter square. So it is 900 centimeter square. Okay, and this is your final answer. Okay, next question. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to DC and AB is given as 78 centimeter, CD equal to 52 centimeter, AD equal to 28 centimeter, BC equal to 10 centimeter. Calculate the area of the trapezium. Okay, so how we can do that? So let us first draw the diagram of this question. Okay, so this is A, this is B, this is C and D. So let me write all the units. This is given as 78 centimeter. This is given as 52 centimeter. Okay, and AD is given as 28 centimeter and BC is given as 30 centimeter. Okay, now if I draw a perpendicular from D to AB, will I get a height of this trapezium? Yes. And we know to find the area of a trapezium, we need the value of h. Because the formula is half into sum of parallel sides into distance between them or height. Okay. So we have got these two sides as parallel. So we will add them and we will multiply with the height. Okay, into half. But what we are going to do? How we are going to find the height of this trapezium? Okay. Okay. Now, if I draw a, if I do some construction here and I draw a parallel side to this side and okay, so let me keep this as also 30 centimeter. Why? Because I have taken this, I have by construction I have drawn this. This is 30 centimeter. Okay, now from here to here you can see opposite sides are parallel, so this is also 52 centimeter. Okay, so I have got a parallelogram now whose opposite sides are one is 52 centimeter and other is 30 centimeter. Okay, now what to do? So if total is 78 and from here to here it is 52, so how much is this? This is 26. 78 minus 52. Now, if you look at this triangle, you have three sides, that you have length of the three sides. That means you can find the area of this triangle by Heron's formula. So let us find the area of this triangle. Okay. So what is the area of this triangle? So let us find the area of this triangle. Okay. Area of triangle. So What is the formula for finding the area of an scalene triangle? Or we know that area of any triangle whose all three sides we know. It is under root S, S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. Okay. Now, S is our semi-perimeter. So basically we are covering this triangle. And we know the three sides of this triangle. This is 28 centimeter, 30 centimeter, and 26 centimeter. Okay. Now let us find the area. So for finding the area, we need semi-perimeter. So S is nothing but half of the perimeter, that is 28 centimeter plus 30 centimeter plus 26 centimeter. Okay, divided by 2. So after calculation, you will get this as 42 centimeter. Okay, so now we have got the semi-perimeter. So let us use this here. So semi-perimeter is 42. So 42 minus 28, then 42 minus 30, and then 42 minus 26. I'm just subtracting the length of the sides of the triangle from the semi-perimeter. So if you calculate this, you will get 42 into 14 into 12 into 16. So if you calculate this, you are going to get 336 centimeter square. Now, we have got the area of this triangle. Now, if you know the base of any triangle and the height of any triangle, you can easily find the use the formula to find the area of triangle as area equal to half into base into height. Okay. Now, what is our area given? Now we have calculated the area of this triangle. This is 336 centimeter square. So equal to half. We know the base of this triangle. The base of this triangle is this 26 centimeter. So 26 centimeter. And we have to calculate the value of h. So after calculation, you can see we can cancel this out as by 13. So you'll get h equal to 336 divided by 13 centimeter. Approximately you can take it as 26 centimeter. Okay. So now we have got the value of height, that is h. Now we can easily find the value area of the trapezium. That means we are going to use the formula half into sum of the parallel sides into height to get the area of this trapezium. Okay. So let me erase this. So we have area of trapezium equal to half into sum of parallel sides. Now look at the trapezium now. This is your trapezium. Okay. This was the trapezium ABCD. Now we know the sum of the parallel sides. So the one of the parallel side is 52 and other is given as 78. So 52 plus 78. Now You will multiply with the height that we have found. And what is the height? Height we have got as 26 centimeter. So let me multiply it by 26 centimeter. Okay. So this is half into 130 into 26 centimeter. So the finally you are going to get 1690 centimeter square as your answer. And this is the area of given trapezium ABCD. Okay, and this is your final answer. Okay, now the next question. Area of a trapezium is 405 centimeter square and its parallel sides are in the ratio 4:5. If the distance between parallel sides is 18 centimeter, calculate the length of each of the parallel sides. So how we can do that? So we have got the parallel sides in the ratio. So we can consider this as let the length of parallel sides be 4x and 5x respectively. Okay. Distance between the parallel sides is given as 18 centimeter. That means h is given as 18 centimeter. Okay. And the area is given as 405 centimeters. And they have asked to find the length of each of the parallel sides. That means we are going to find the value of 4x and 5x. Okay. If I draw the diagram, how I can do that? So this is your parallel sides. So let us keep at 4x and this is your 5x. Okay. Now height is given as, that is h. This is given you as 18 centimeter. So area of trapezium equal to half into sum of parallel sides. So what is sum of parallel sides? It is 4x plus 5x, because 4x and 5x are parallel to each other, and into height, this is 18. Now area of the trapezium is given as 405 centimeter square. So it is half into 9x into 18. Now you can cancel this out by 9. So you have 405 centimeter square equal to 9 into 9, that is 81. 9 into 9x. So we can say 405 centimeter square equal to 81x. So from here you can find x equal to, you can cancel out, this will go 5 times. So x equal to 5. So now we can find the length of the parallel sides. One of the length of the parallel side was 4x. So it is 4 into 5, 20 centimeter. Another was 5x. So it is 5 into 5, it is 25 centimeter. So we have got the length of each parallel sides. Okay. Next question. If the area of a rhombus is 143 square units and one of its diagonal is 26 units, find the other diagonal. Okay. So we know that in a rhombus, what is a rhombus? Rhombus is a quadrilateral in which all four sides are equal, and in rhombus we have got two diagonals, diagonal 1 and diagonal 2. So this is our diagonal 1 and this is our diagonal 2. Okay. Now diagonal 1 is given as 26 unit and diagonal 2 we need to find out. And the area of the trapezium is given as area of rhombus. This is rhombus, not trapezium. Rhombus is given as 143 square units. Now, what is the formula of area of rhombus if we know the diagonals? So, area of rhombus equal to half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. That means half of the product of the diagonals. So, area of the rhombus is given as 143. Half into d1 is given as 26, and we have to find the d2. So, after calculation, d2 can be calculated as, see, this is 13, and you can cancel out this 1 1. So, it is 11 unit. Okay. Next question. Find the area of kite whose long and short diagonals are given as 22 centimeter and 12 centimeter respectively. Now, what is a kite? Kite is a quadrilateral whose adjacent sides are given as equal. So, this side is equal to this side and this side is equal to this side. Adjacent sides are equal. In a kite, we get two diagonals. See, this is your longer diagonal. So, we call it as a long diagonal. Okay. And this is your short diagonal. Okay. So, we have got two diagonals. So, long diagonals is given as 22 centimeter and the short diagonal is given as 12 centimeter. And they have asked me to find the area of kite. So, area of kite, if you know the diagonals, then the area of the kite can be written as half into product of diagonals. So, diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. So, it is half into, how much is d1? 22 centimeter, and how much is d2? It is 12 centimeter. So, it can be written as 11 centimeter here. Now, this is 132 centimeter. So, you can square. So, it is area of kite we have calculated as 132 centimeter square. Okay. Next question. The parallel sides of trapezium are 25 centimeter and 11 centimeter, while its non-parallel sides are 15 centimeter and 13 centimeter. Find the area of trapezium. So, how we can do that? So, let us draw the diagram first. So, this is the shorter side, that is 11 centimeter, and this is 25 centimeter. Okay. Now, the non-parallel side, the length of the non-parallel side is given as 15 centimeter, and this is your 13 centimeter. Okay. Now, the first step that I am going to do is to draw the height of this trapezium. I have drawn the height and I will name it as h. Now, see, this is 11 centimeter and this is your 13 centimeter. I am going to draw another line which is 13 centimeter and cut this. Basically, I am drawing a parallelogram. This is parallel to this, and from here it is 11 centimeter. Okay. So, got the point? In parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel and equal. So, got this. So, this is your 13 centimeter. Now, total is 25 centimeter. So, out of, this is 11 centimeter. Yeah. So this is your 11 centimeter. Okay. So if total is 25, so out of that 11 is taken, now how much is left? 14. So this is your 14 centimeter. Okay. Again, the process that we have discussed few questions earlier, same thing we are going to repeat here also. That means we are going to find the area of the triangle. So which triangle? So this triangle. I have shaded the triangle by green colors. Now you can see. So we know the sides of the triangle. So we are going to find the area of this triangle. Okay, area of triangle. So how we can find the area of triangle? Area of triangle equal to, if you know the three sides, the formula that we can use, this is S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. Okay. Now, what is the semi-perimeter of this triangle? So first we are going to find S. S equal to nothing but sum of the length of the boundaries divided by 2. So you will get 28 plus 14, that is 42, divided by 2, that is 21 centimeter. Now we got the semi-perimeter, we will use it here. Okay. So it is 21 minus 15. Okay, subtracting the sides of the triangle. 21 minus 14, and then 21 minus 13. So it is 21 into 6 into 7 into 8. So the finally after calculation you will get this as 84 centimeter square. Now we have got the area of this triangle. We have got the area of this triangle. And this was not our ultimate purpose. We are finding the area of the trapezium. And for finding the area of trapezium, we need sum of the parallel sides and height. So some of the parallel sides are given. So we have to find the height. So now, if you know the area of the triangle and base, can we find the value of h? So we can use the formula as area of triangle equal to half into base into height. So we have calculated the area of triangle, and this is 84 centimeter square. So I will write this 84 centimeter square equal to half into, what is the base of this triangle? The base of this triangle is 14. So 14, and height we have taken it as h. So take it as h. Okay. Now after calculation you will get h equal to, you can see, 12 centimeter. So now we have calculated the value of h, that is equal to 12 centimeter. Now we have got the height, so we can calculate the area of trapezium. So let me erase this part. We have already discussed in detail. Now try to understand this question step by step, because this is a lengthy process and I know most of the people will find very confusing, but what you need to do is that try to understand it bit by bit, little, and step by step try to note it down in your copy. Okay. So now the area of trapezium equal to half into sum of parallel sides. Now look at the trapezium. Okay. So what is our trapezium here? So you can see I have shaded the trapezium by green colors. So it is half into sum of the parallel sides. So what is the parallel sides of the trapezium? It is 11 centimeter and 25 centimeter. So we'll add them, 11 plus 25 centimeter into, what is the height that we have calculated? This we have calculated as 12 centimeter. So we'll use this 12 centimeter. So after calculation, half into 36 into 12 है centimeter square you will get this is by 6, so 216 centimeter square. This is your final answer. Okay, this is your answer. So now we have calculated the area of this trapezium. Next question. Area of a kite is 126 centimeter square and one of its diagonal is 21 centimeter long. Find the length of the other diagonal. Okay, so we know the formula, area of kite equal to half into product of diagonal. So diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. So area of the kite is given as 126 centimeter square, and this is half into how much d1 is given? D1 is given as 21 centimeter, and they are asking me to find the length of the diagonal, other diagonal. Okay, now we can calculate this. This will go by 6 times. So finally you are going to get d2, that is the length of the other diagonal, as 12 centimeter. So this is our answer. Okay. So this was all from the today's session. We have discussed each and every questions step by step, and I tried my best to simplify each and every questions, every concept, so that you can understand it. So your duty is to note it down in your copy, and still if you have any doubts, you can write in the comment box, and you can ask me in the live classes. Also, you can ask me through mails also. Thank you so much for attending this session. All the best for your next weekly test.